Trees are the oldest, largest, and tallest living things on Earth. They are powerful and enduring symbols of life. What makes trees different than other plants is their trunk. A single woody trunk rises above the ground and divides into a series of branches. Trees evolved because some plants needed trunks to support themselves and grow tall enough to reach the sun's light. Jerry Franklin studies old-growth forests dominated by coniferous trees. His years of research have changed our understanding of how trees work.
It's a big old Douglas fir tree here. This tree is about 6 feet in diameter, probably around 250 feet tall, and it's probably about 500 years old. A living tree like this provides a lot of different functions in the forest. It provides a home for a lot of different kinds of organisms. It's doing a lot of productivity, it's doing a lot of photosynthesis, so it's a source of energy for the ecosystem.
Like all plants, trees require sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to survive. With these ingredients, they make the food they need and provide the oxygen we all use to breathe. By removing carbon dioxide, they replenish the Earth's atmosphere and give us fresh air.
There isn't any ecosystem in the whole world that stores more carbon than our northwestern coniferous forests. They're just giant storehouses of the stuff in the trees, in the logs, in the forest floor, and down in the soil.
Leaves collect energy from the sun and use it to make sugars that get transported throughout the tree for nutrition. Like sponges, the roots soak up water that moves through the trunk into branches and leaves. Excess water is released through the leaves back into the air.
One of the interesting things about the big old tree is, of course, eventually it dies. And what we find is that a tree, when it dies in one of these ecosystems, probably has as many functions to fulfill in the dead form as it did in the live form.
Fallen logs decompose and gradually return their nutrients to the soil, allowing other plants to thrive. It's a long and productive cycle of life.